Saudi Arabia, the land of hot sand. Saudi Arabia is a country in the Middle East. It is located in the Arabian Desert. The Arabian Desert is a hot desert. Location: Saudi Arabia lies between the Red Sea and Persian Gulf. It is surrounded by Jordan, Israel, Iraq, Kuwait, Qatar, United Arab Emirates, Oman, and Yemen. Land: the land of Saudi Arabia is dry and barren. It is covered with sand and hillocks of sand called sand dunes. These sand dunes change their place with the direction of the wind. In Saudi Arabia, there is acute shortage of water. Sometimes dry valleys called wadis fill with rainwater. At some places, underground water comes to the surface and forms small water pools. Cacti and date palms grow around these water pools. Such green areas are called oases. Climate: the climate of Saudi Arabia is very hot and dry. There is hardly any rainfall. In summer, the temperature sometimes shoots up to 52 degrees Celsius. The days are very hot, but the nights are pleasant. Dust storms are very common in this region. The only part in Saudi Arabia that receives some rainfall is Asir. Vegetation: due to scarcity of water, very few plants grow here. Cacti and shrubs are common plants in these deserts. Roots of the plants go deep into the ground in search of water. The plants have very few leaves to save water from being evaporated. Around the oasis, people grow dates, wheat, barley, tomato, melons. Nowadays, many food crops and vegetables are grown in big farms. Animal life: animals that can adapt themselves in the desert are found here. Gazelles, oryx, ibex, spiders, reptiles, and birds are common animals here. Sidewinder snakes and dancing lizards are unique animals of this desert. The most important animal of this desert is camel. It can live without food and water for many days. Camel is the main means of transport in the desert, so it is called the ship of the desert. We will discuss more in part 2. Thank you for watching.